Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got this new spiky choker and I love it so much, and it kind of inspired today's look. I wanted to do something dark but also neon and colorful, so I was like, let's try to do a rainbow black smoky eye again, because the last time I tried it, you guys haven't seen it because it failed, but I tried to use my Jeffree Star rainbow liquid lips, and I'm sure that could be executed somehow in a way that I'm not skilled in yet, but I couldn't make it work, and I decided to just try it this way instead with my Makeup of Murder Neon Poison Pigments, like always. So if you want to know how I got this glowing neon smoky eye today, then keep on watching. To start off, like usual, I'm going to prime my eyes with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and my M173 brush. Now with an M124 brush in the shade Blackout by Urban Decay, I'm going to pack this all on my lid. I'm tapping off the excess product and using light stamping motions to ensure little to no fallout. Now I'm using light windshield wiper motions on the edges to help smudge them out. I'm going to add this to my lower lash line as well, just to get that going. While we're here, I'm going to tightline my eyes with black as well. Alright, so this is the general shape of our eye look. I'm going to go in with the Makeup of Murder Neon Poison Pigments around the black in rainbow order, starting with pink, working my way to green, blue, purple, and then starting back with pink right on the inner corner of the lower lash line. Okay, so the eyes are all done, so now let's start working on the face. First, I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now I'm going to apply a light layer of my ColourPop No Filter Foundation, and I'm going to blend it out with my Morphe sponge. Now I'm going to conceal the highest points of my face with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Now I'm going to set those same areas with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder and my Morphe M527 brush. Now I'm going to contour using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit and my Morphe E4 brush. For blush, I'm going to use my M405 brush and my ColourPop Super Shock blush in the shade Holiday. For highlight, I'm going to dip into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit and dip into the shades Gumdrop and Starburst with my M501 brush. And I will be coating the brush with a little bit of Urban Decay's All Nighter as well. No filter, baby! And I will be using this mixture to highlight my whole face and inner corner as well. For lips, I'm going to use a black matte liquid lipstick. Here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!